welcome back to my channel. Today you've probably noticed that my hair is looking really long. I am wearing clip-in curly extensions from Bebonia. I've done some content with these before and I am absolutely in love with them. I couldn't find anywhere in Australia that does curly long hair extensions, so I am obsessed with Bebonia. So these are clip-ins, they are Remy human hair and they are ethically sourced. The strands are so healthy looking and soft, and there's heaps of color shades to choose from. They'll also help you color match. As you guys probably know, I have naturally curly hair, so switching it up and changing my look is just really fun to do. I have shorter hair, it's probably around here. When I first went curly, it was really short, and I remember looking for places that did curly extensions just so I could switch up my look every now and then, but there was no places that did long curly extensions, so I'm so grateful for Bebonia. I'm wearing the 22-inch clip-ins in the shade dark brown. And I just feel like a different person. I feel like a mermaid. They look so real, they feel so real, they just match perfectly. The important thing to note with Bebonia extensions is that you have to prep and style them before you apply them. This will ensure that they look nice and shiny, defined, and also match your natural curl pattern. So I recommend washing your natural hair the day that you want to wear your extensions. So when you wash your natural hair, you'll also wash the extensions and style them the same way. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. So as I mentioned before, it is recommended by Bebonia to wash and style your extensions before you use them. Firstly, rinse the clip-ins with lukewarm water, then use a sulfate-free shampoo to wash them. After you have rinsed the shampoo out, you can use any conditioner you like. I recommend using the same products that you used on your natural hair on your extensions too. So today I used the Coco and Eve Hydrating Conditioner. I lathered the hair with conditioner and then used a brush to detangle the curls. Then I wring out any excess water and lay them on a towel and repeat these steps for all the hair pieces. I have a lot of hair. There is a lot of layers, it's very thick, so I have a lot of pieces to wash and style. Making sure that the hair is still wet, apply a styling cream or a gel to create shiny and defined curls and lock in that moisture. I used the Briogeo Curl Charisma gel today, which always gives me long-lasting definition. Then you can let your extensions air dry, or if you have no patience like me, you can use a diffuser to dry them. The extensions look so much better, they are nice and defined, soft and shiny. Now let's get on to the application. I start at the bottom of my hair and work my way up. Everyone's haircut and curls are so different, so you'll need to play around and see what positioning works for you. After clipping the first piece at the bottom, I am stacking two pieces on top of each other for the next section. This ensures that the bottom layers will be nice and thick and blend well together, and the short layers won't be sticking out. So yeah, that's my tip for the thick parts of your hair, is to stack pieces on top of each other if you want to get extra thickness. Another tip when applying your curly extensions is to use a curl product to refresh your hair throughout the process. You can use a gel, cream, oil or spray. Today I'm using the Hask Curl Care Spray. All curly people know that when you touch your hair a lot, it gets really frizzy. So using a product like this to maintain moisture and definition will give you the best results. The product can be applied to both your natural hair and the extensions, which will also create a more cohesive look overall. And here I am continuing the process of sectioning my hair and applying the clip-ins wherever I think needs it. Make sure not to leave big gaps between each clip or your hair will start to look uneven and choppy. Because I have quite naturally thick hair, I don't feel the need to apply the extensions high up on my scalp. I focus on applying them on the mid to lower part of my head, which also ensures that the clips won't be visible on my scalp as I wear them throughout the day. I like to apply the pieces just above my temples, which helps to blend the fuzzy short bits that I have in that area. Once I have applied all my clip-ins, I like to shake out my roots to give me that extra volume. Since my natural hair is a bit frizzy and isn't made of perfect ringlets, I use my fingers to brush out the extensions so that they blend better with my natural pattern. And that's how I get long, luscious, natural looking curls. Look at it sway in the wind. Wow, get it, girl. Honestly, these extensions are such high quality and they are the perfect fit for my hair. I think it is so cool that they can be styled to fit your personal curl pattern. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you guys are going to try out the Bebonia extensions. I hope my tips and tricks on how to blend them and make them look as natural as possible were helpful to you guys. I love them so much. They look so natural. I just can't stop touching them. They're so soft. Thank you so much to Bebonia for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.